So a lot of people move into or are drawn to the ketogenic space for fat loss. That's kind of what draws people in. And then you get the question, well, so-and-so lost 20 pounds in the first month, I didn't. So what's happening? Or I've hit my weight loss goal, why do I want to keep taking these things? And so there's so much more than just metabolic substrates. So what else are ketones doing? We see the benefits of fat loss when we use exogenous ketones because of the secondary benefits. There are things that are happening internally and systemically that you can't see, that your body is fixing internally, and those are the things that will eventually lead to the fat loss that you're looking for. So we like to talk about ketones as signaling molecules. And the interesting thing is ketone bodies are vital metabolic substrates, but they can also be used even in the presence of carbohydrates. And so we've never been able to do that in the past. In the past, the only way to get into ketosis was through nutritional ketosis. So you had to have a very low carbohydrate diet, a very high fat diet, allowing the body to make ketones. Now we can have both fuel sources. We can have carbs and ketones. And so what does our body do with those? And there's really interesting research showing that oftentimes our body is actually going to choose ketones. So the body chooses, so the organ systems or the brain actually prefer ketones even when both fuel sources are available.